My whole MDT just crashed, but I believe subject's outside. He has something in hand, but I can't see yet.
Taxi provided.
Hi! Did you call us? What's going on, man?
I don't want to show nobody, but I'm tired.
Okay, can you drop whatever's in your hand?
No,
What do you have in there?
it's a sword.
Okay, can you put it down? 7-5, he has a sword. He doesn't want to put it down. No, listening to commands. What's going on? Can you talk to me?
7-7 copy. Let me make sure you have some type of a sleep out there. I'll be around.
What's that?
I'm tired of living.
You're what?
I'm tired of living.
Okay, well, I don't want you to hurt yourself or anybody else. So how can we help you today? What happened?
Yeah.
Then we'll figure out what to do with your friend.
Did you call us?
He did.
Okay. All right, can you put down the stick, please?
It's a sword.
That's big.
Oh, a sword? Can you please put it down for us so we can talk to you? Please, for me? You put it down?
I don't know you. Why would I talk to you?
I know, but... What's going on today?
I'm having a bad life.
7-5, can we have someone that's CNT start out here?
Okay. What's been going on today that makes you want to hurt your friend? You guys get in an
I
argument?
don't care about him. I don't give a fuck. It's just something to get you here.
Okay. Is there anything we can do to help you?
You can shoot me. That might help.
7-5, he's still not listening to commands, saying he wants us to shoot.
Hey, Fred. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, my name's Cameron.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Fred.
Douglas.
What?
Douglas?
Is your name Fred or Douglas?
Oh,
You go by both? What do you like to go by?
Fred sometimes.
Okay, what do you want to go by right now?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. I'll just keep it with Fred, okay? Fred, like I said, my name's Cameron. I'm with the police department, okay? What's going on tonight?
I'm ready to go. What's going on with you?
Nothing much. I'm just responding to a call to try to see if I could help you out.
I want to do something different.
Okay, what would you like to do?
Leave this world.
Why's that?
Because I'm done.
You have a what?
Done.
You're done?
I'm sorry.
That's good.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fred, I can hear from your voice that you do.
Mimi, mind your mouth. Come on!
Let's check the house.
That's good.
Who made it?
Fred, I can hear from your voice that you do.
Anybody have a